Welcome to my home in Nashville, Tennessee. Come on in. I apologize for the echo. There's no furniture in here. We just got here last night. I want to give you guys an exclusive empty house tour before we decorate so I can show you guys the process. So when you walk in the house, we first have our guest room right here. We have actually a little closet and I already started getting makeup boxes, yay! So this is a little storage closet we have, and then we'll go into the guest room. So we wanted to have the guest room downstairs, especially for my mom and my family who is close to Nashville. So that way when they come stay, they don't have to walk up the stairs, especially my mom, she hates stairs. The ceilings are pretty high, which is awesome. We also have some ceiling fans, which in LA, there were no fans. So I love fans, so I was really excited about that. This is the guest bathroom. I love the colors. They did this beautiful tile on the bathroom floor, and all of the fixtures are this beautiful bronze. This is the shower. It's really pretty. It has a normal head. These things I've never seen before, like these two little heads on the bottom, and it also has a rain shower. So right here we have the guest closet. It's a pretty good size. Like I can walk in, it's a walk-in closet. And then last is the bathroom. Nothing too exciting, just a toilet. So as we go back into the hallway, we have another bath. This is a half bath that is right here. I think I might add like a little storage unit here, maybe like a little table or something where I could put some like lotion, perfume, because there's not any storage in this bathroom, and I want to make sure that when guests come over, they feel like they have their own little vanity, that if they want to use lotion or freshen up, we'll have that here. Across from the half bath, we have a little storage closet right here. It's like a coat closet. And then as we walk in, we have our living room and dining room and kitchen. So I love that we have a fireplace. We didn't have a fireplace in LA, and that's definitely something that I miss. And it feels so good because it's cold and rainy right now, so this makes me so happy. I love how open the layout is. The windows are gorgeous. There's so much light in this house, and I love that. And I also just like being able to be in a space with lots of windows. It's super bright, especially working from home. You can get cabin fever really quickly, so I love having this gorgeous open layout. I also love the fan details and the ceiling. I think it's really beautiful with the LED lights. It's a great touch. Then we move on to the dining room. They have this really beautiful gold chandelier. I'm bringing a lot of my furniture from LA, and my dining room furniture is actually rose gold and black, so I think this is gonna be a perfect touch. We might end up changing some of the light fixtures in the house as we go, but I really do like the one that they put in here. Now my favorite part is the kitchen and the island. I've never had a kitchen island before. I'm so pumped for this. It's like, this is goals for me. Like, it sounds so silly, but I've always wanted a kitchen island. I think it's so great for cooking and having all this space to bring the groceries in. In our last house, it was a very closed-in kitchen and we didn't have an island. We just had a few countertops, and this was something that made me so excited. Again, they did the white with the bronze and the gold, and I'm obsessed with it. I think it's so beautiful. And then on the cabinetry, they did black, which matches the black lights in the kitchen. We have our fridge right here, and it has the two double doors. We've actually already stocked some stuff since the virus and everything going on. We had to get food as soon as we got here. So we just got some essentials. My Waterloo, you know I had to have my Waterloo, strawberry and watermelon. We have an oven and a microwave, and then there's actually two ovens. So we have a double oven, the stovetop, and our dishwasher. And another exciting part is we now have a pantry. I've never had a pantry before. Again, I'm always in the kitchen, so this was really, really exciting. We have a walk-in pantry. Like, I'm gonna spend most of my time in here. And again, we did stock up some food, just because we're gonna be home the next few weeks. Ma, your food's here, look, come on. You got your food? Aspen has already been in here. I've caught her sneaking in here a lot because their treats and their food is in here. Aspen, what do you think? Your food's in here. They know that their treats are in here. They're so spoiled. All right, we also have this really cute little coat rack. So we put some of our stuff up here for now. I thought that was really great. And then there's a little door here that goes to outside, but I'm gonna show you the other door in a second, but this does lead out to the garage in case you wanna come straight from the garage into the kitchen. So here we have our little patio. We're still cleaning up because this is new construction, but We have this great little space. I want to put like a cute, maybe like a half moon patio set, something really cozy out here, maybe even like a little electric fire pit or something like that. But we do have this really great secluded outdoor space. We have a little bit of yard, and up here I'm going to be showing you guys my studio, but the garage is over here, and above the garage is going to be my beauty room. Guys, we are going to do a whole home decor transformation in this room, but I want to show you the before, so whenever I document it, you guys will be seeing the after. This is going to be my filming room. I love that it's detached from the house because I can have my work, shut the door, and go into my home and not have to worry about it at all. I've always had my beauty room in my house, which is fine, but I've never had a beauty room with a door really. In my last house, I used the entertainment room as my beauty studio, but now I have a whole room that is completely separate, and I'm so excited for this space. It's kind of dark in here, so I definitely want to replace the light, maybe add a really cool chandelier, and maybe even paint the walls and add some more lighting in here so it's really bright where I can work. All right, so as soon as you come up the stairs, we have our master bedroom, which you can go down this hallway, but we also have a kind of a secret entrance into the bedroom, which is through our laundry room. This is another thing we didn't have in our other house. We didn't have a laundry room, and it's these little things that has me so excited because last house, our laundry room was like stuck in a hallway, super tiny, and now we have a whole washroom. It's so cute. The laundry room is also connected to one of the closets. So the master has a his and hers closet. So this is our first closet. It's so spacious. Like, it's so pretty. I can't wait to put all of my stuff in here. It's so crazy. And then from the closet, you go into probably my favorite room in the entire house, and it's the master bath. Like, I'm in love with this bathroom. It is insane. Again, they did the bronze and the white and this marble, like, I don't know if it's a granite or a marble, but it is so beautiful. We got a little bathtub because baths are essential. Just to show you guys how big this shower is, like, look at that. There's a rain shower, a shower head, and you have this little attachment. So there's a his and hers vanity. I'm gonna pick this one because I'm gonna put a little stool right here. So if I want to get ready in the morning, this is the second vanity, lots of storage. Something I love about this house is there is so much storage, which is amazing. Molly, is that your vanity? She's still getting used to everything. She hasn't been up here that much. What is it? This is the second closet in the his and hers closet. And again, it's very spacious. A lot of room in here for clothes and shoes and everything else. And then here is our bathroom. Again, just a toilet. And then through the master bath is, of course, the master bedroom. I love the ceilings in here. I think it's so beautiful. We might end up taking out the fan because we have a canopy bed and it's kind of tall, but I love the layout of this room. I love the color of the walls, and it's super bright in here. So now we're gonna go to the other bedrooms. This is our entrance from the hallway that I showed you guys earlier. On the second floor, we have 2 more rooms. So first we have another little closet right here. This is the second bedroom on this floor. This is probably gonna be my office because it has a great street view with all the lights, so I can have a little bit of something to look at. And then through here, we go into the bathroom. So the 2 bedrooms have separate sinks, but they share a shower. Again, we have another like huge closet in here that I can put lots of stuff for my office. So through here, or you can also get to it from the hallway, you have the second sink and the other bedroom. And this, we're not really sure yet. I think I might do like a meditation massage room. So have like a massage table, maybe where I can do some yoga and some reading. Just a room where I can kind of relax and meditate. And this room also has its own closet. Last room is on the 3rd floor. There are 3 floors in this house. And this, again, is one of the rooms I'm most excited about. And it's going to be our movie theater. We have a movie theater at our last house. It was a really tiny room. It was probably about 1/3 of this room, and we made it into our media room because we love playing video games, we love movies. So this room is insane. I know I'm gonna spend a lot of time up here, and it's so cute because it has this little wine cooler. Little kitchenette, we have a sink, lots of storage. I think we're gonna put a microwave up here and maybe get a little popcorn machine because I love popcorn. And it also has a bathroom and a shower. All right, you guys, so that is it for my empty house tour. I'm sure you have a lot of questions. So in my next video, I'm gonna be doing a full Q&A, why I left LA, why we moved here, everything. If you guys wanna see home decor, please thumbs up this video and let me know down in the comments. We're so excited for this new chapter. I'm back in my home state of Tennessee. I couldn't be happier. Thank you guys, as always, for watching. Love you so much. Stay safe during everything going on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.